Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use template on Facebook Reels. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Meta has announced a raft of updates to lure creative talent by better enabling them to maximize the reach and resonance of their content on Facebook, including new Reels template, update Reels editing option, and daily checklist to help build your presence, new performance insight, and more. And what if you want to create Reels by using the template on the Facebook? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can just go to your profile by tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on your profile. You can go to the Reels section on your profile here. Just tap on that. Now you can just tap on Create Reels. And you'll find there is an option template on the top of your Reels. You can just tap on that. Here's all the template that you can use on your Reels. Maybe for example, I will choose this one, this template. Here's the template. So you can just select clips from your phone to add to this template. I will choose videos from my gallery to add to this template. Like this. Now you can just tap on next and your reels will be turned out like this with using this template. So interesting, right? So you don't need to edit your reels manually. You can just tap on next. You can add caption, and maybe you can mention your friends on this reel, and you can share it to your friends. So simple, right? So that is how to use template on Facebook Reels. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.